What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out in Camarillo. Let's go see what's up, man. This 20% off has me running out to the different Nike outlets to see what's up. All right, here we go. 20% off all footwear. How do I know? Because these fools have a sign way outside, man. Dang. Nothing behind the counters. Of course, the line crazy. Okay, look at this line. Wow. All right, I'm curious to see what they got in the heat aisle. It's all about the aisles and the heat walls if they have them. Of course, I came way late in the day, so nothing too crazy. You got the Hello Kitty Prestos, kind of a smaller size 6 right here. Do got some lows, the Jordan 36 lows. Like I said, the Jordan 35 lows, some dunks, some of these bad boys right here, the Air Max 95. This is a interesting colorway, and just some kids. So that's it, man. That's it. I forgot it was like this last time I came. This used to all be clearance section. Now it is the aisles. So the aisles have gotten a lot smaller. All right, let's check. Dude got these really weird Vapor Max, the ISP Vapor Max right here, ugly as hell. The Gator ISPAs, 275 down to 110. That's the size 6. Size 7 Air Max 90s going for retail. And more of these. $130 for these. Man. Hirachis going for $100. Zion's going for $90. Up to the size 8, which is my kid size, $120 for these. Air Max 2017s. Air Max 97s right here going for $185 full retail. This is size 7 though. More Zion's going for $90. Why not 0.5 is going for $130. That's the retail. It's an 8.5. So are these React Milers going for $80. React 270 size 8 going for $80 or $71. That's random. $90 for these bad boy Zions. Seeing these in size 9 as well. More of the same. More Milers. Different colorways. Same colorway. More Hirachis. Size 10, still got these. John Elliott's right here going for $175. More of these React Milers. Kyrie Infinities. These are retail though. Size 10. Oh, I didn't say size 10, did I? None of those Griffies in the size 10. Do got these Air Max 97s. I wonder what these are ringing up for, because y'all saw me grab these for hella cheap. $170. I grabbed these for what, $55, and they're going for $170 now. Nike app showing that they have a bunch of these in a bunch of different sizes. Let me see. I'm gonna have one of the workers scan them. Let me check. All right, regular price. That's what the lady said. Okay. Crazy that I got those for $55. Now they go for regular price. Yeah, that's crazy. Size 10.5. Got these Blazer mid jumbos going for $1.25 or $120. Air Max 2017s go for $120. Hirachi Craters go for $90. Dang, that's it. Size 11. It's got some Pegasus Trails 2s right here. Go for what? $90. More of these. More Hirachis. Tailwind 79s go for $80 right here. You do see the 20% off? I don't think you can stack the 20% off and the 20 because I don't think that's the way it works this time. Usually you can, but not this time. Size 13s, $179, $99 for the Alpha Fly Next Percent. Size 12, got some LeBrons with the carpet on it, $230 for those. Kyrie Infinities going for regular price, size 12. React Milers going for $90. Air Force One Looks right here, size 13, going for what, $140. And these are hefty, man. These are hefty. Man, material looks super nice too. A little expensive though, $150 though, I believe. I can't even tell. It says suggested retail $140, so maybe $140. More of these Defy All Days going for $25. You've seen them for hella cheap. Size 14. More of these React Milers, Vapor Max going for $210. I think that's about it. Got those. They're done, and that's it. That's it with the big sizes. I guess we'll check out the Jordan section right here. Jordan Access. What's this? Nike SB box right here. Oh, some of those alley-oops that we saw. Jordan liftoffs. Another one of those. Nothing too riveting yet. Jordan Access. More of those. Delta 2s. More of those. Giannis Immortality, his budget line of sneakers. All black version right here. Witness 5s. Katie Tray 5/8s. Flytrap 4s. Another one of those. Multiple colorways. These prices will keep going down, right? One last Flytrap. Zoom Freak 3s. Another colorway of the Immortalities. More Witnesses. Another Witness 5. All blue one right here. Some Soldiers. These are all Soldier 14s. Another one of those. The alley-oops that we saw at that other spot. Totally tricked me. Killshot 2s. Blazer Quartz. Canvas version of the Blazers. Hella cheap. Suna slides. Benassi slides. If you don't mind standing on rocks, because these are hard as hell. Do got the Griffies. Size 10, the biggest one they got. Damn, I do like these. I just ordered the Zions. The Zion 2, the Voodoo colorway. A few of you guys texted me regarding that. Man, I kind of do want these, but I kind of like the Voodoo ones a little bit better, so I did pull the trigger on those. Also got those Air Max last week. Man, dude, might have to pass. These are dope, dude. I like the wheat. Kind of gives it the boot look, but definitely a lot more comfortable than the boots. These come with full box and everything too. Damn, that's what's up. Glide Flyees, Go Flyees right here. The funky Nike Flow ISPAs. All the ISPA stuff's kind of weird. All black one. Then the Drifter ISPAs, one weird one with the socks. Weird. When I say with the socks, I meant with the freaking toe thingy. I don't know what this was, but it's gone. Space Hippies. Terra Skate Plus right here. Air Max 2017. A few different colorways. Third one right here. Air Max APs. Another one of those. Blue one. Okay. Oh, this is a Gino, my bad. Literally saw these 3 days ago. Grabbed it fairly cheap in the regular price. Man, that's crazy. And then, yeah, these two. Air Max 2021s. What y'all think about these? I don't know. I'm not a fan of all that plastic. I don't know. I'm just not a fan. Air Max 2090s. Another one of those. Monarch. Air Max 95 all white. Pretty decent price. This price is even better though. Holy crap. They have weird sizes. Only up to size 9.5 and then size 15. Okay, so smaller sizes and 15. More Monarchs. Damn, some dudes just wearing way too much cologne just past them. But I guess better than body odor because I've smelled some body odor because the place is packed. But yeah. Metcon 6s, another one of those. Some Terra Kiger 7s. Got the N7 section over here with the Air Max 95 N7. These are all regular price though. Vaporfly Next Percents, Alphafly Next Percents. Okay. We've covered all the running sneakers way too much. Oh, this is a Pegasus 38. I was gonna say I bought the Pegasus 37 for cheaper, same colorway. But yeah, they're here. They got plenty of running shoes. Checking out the women's section. Man, they got this type of stuff? Really? Got some Air Force One Shadows and then Ebernon, stuff like that, man. I swear they never have anything in the women's section here. Air Max Correlates, Air Max Axis. What the? Well, I finally found some dope stuff. Oh, for way too much. Didn't we see this for like $100 somewhere? We saw it for under $100. No, we saw this for way cheap. Air Max 97s, regular price. Air Max 2090s, another one of those. At least the prices are cheaper. Air Max 2017s, more than the men's, way more than the men's. Wow. Black with a 3M right there. I like that one. Weird colorway right there. Vapor Max right here, and then Air Max 90, decent price right there. Okay. All right, nothing much in the women's, but the grade school right here. Air Max Plus, pretty good price. Genomes. Okay. And then look at this. 120% off. So is that $80? These are normally what, I want to say 160 with kids now. I don't know, 150, 140. I don't know. Man, that's a hell of a price. Got some Cortez. Okay, that's really good price for grade school. Some Prestos right here. Air Force One highs. Another high right here. More Hirachis. Pretty cool colorway. Some Flytrap 3s. Some Witnesses. These are the latest one too. Witness 6. Going for 65. Okay. Zoom Freak 3s. Air Max 90s. And that's it. Line. Someone just knocked, one of the workers just knocked out a whole pile. That's funny. He was walking out the door, and then yeah, I don't want to show the workers. All right, yeah, line. Look at this line. Hella long. Oh my god. God dang it! Someone just wearing way too much cologne. Just oh my god, dude, burning my nostrils. All right, let's check out the clearance apparel. Westlake had 40% off. It's only 20% off here. All right, I'm just kind of looking around. Dude got these Jordan shirts going for $25. You get 30% off. So was that $7.50 off? So, all right, so $17.50. More Jordan shirts. More 25-30 off. Backpacks. I don't really see any sales on backpacks because kids are going back to school. So sales are probably up significantly on backpacks, and that's the last time they usually have it on sale. But yeah, $35 for those. Just generic Jordan backpacks. Pretty cool Jordan shorts. These are not on sale. $40. I really don't see that much in the clearance section right there. Those the penny freaking jerseys right there that they've had forever go for $60. Got a few different sizes. It is 20% off, and then just not really seeing much in the apparel section. This jacket right here down to $105. That's a jacket that you want. That's not bad. Normally $3 for these. I think I bought one of these for a family friend in the women's section. Got it at the clearance center for like $70. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, just like t-shirts and stuff. Just nothing really too exciting. Nothing too interesting. All right. Probably another shorter vlog. I'm not really seeing much, dude. We out, yo. We out. I'm done.